Subscribe to Smart Tech channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates from us.
China-based tipster, Ice Universe, has just shared a rather interesting new photo which may represent the Samsung Galaxy S10 prototype. Having said that, the source did not specifically mention this is a Galaxy S10, but many people seem to think it is. If you take a look at the provided image, you will see a phone which has basically no bezel around it, and it sports a curved display on the sides, which represents yet another hint that this may be a prototype of the Galaxy S10. The Samsung Galaxy S10 is expected to arrive in the first quarter of next year, as Samsung will probably announce it at the Mobile World Congress MWC 2019 in Barcelona, so we still have a long way to go before the phone arrives. The Galaxy S10 is expected to ship with Samsung Next-Gen Exynos which has not been announced yet, and another variant with Qualcomm Next-Gen flagship is also expected, as was the case with the Galaxy S9 lineup. The device will utilize at least 6 GB of RAM, and Samsung is once again expected to introduce two different models. The Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus will probably become a reality next year. Guys, please subscribe to my channel for more information.